Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Behind the Scenes. And I've done some work since I last recorded episode 1, and we figured out how we're going to organize the videos. And so basically, what we did here is make some sort of modal thing with a picture. So you can just click details, and it's going to give you this, and it's going to send you to YouTube when you click the watch now. This is just a picture. Now the reason we did this is because it's still going to be responsive and it's still going to look great on a mobile phone. It's going to look, it's going to look nice on horizontal, you can still be able to access it pretty neatly. Now what I need to do is update the nav bar on everything first, and then we can get down to the fun stuff. Now I'm just going to, as you probably could have tell from the first video, these things are boring. They are boring because that's what work is. Work sometimes is boring with coding and stuff. They're not very fun. But what I like about coding with HTML is that you can see immediately the nice colors, whatever you want. Unlike JavaScript and Python, you don't necessarily get to see the good stuff right away. So now we got other courses done. I'm going to copy and paste the nav bar. Just copy that. I don't really care. Back. Save. And here. And save. Okay. Now go home. Sometimes they have errors. Okay, there we go. HTML courses. I'm going to actually record HTML Beginner's Course Introduction today. But it won't be out today because we need to get the outro together, and it's not going to be done until tomorrow. So it's looking good. We got some stuff going on now, and I am going to find out a program online to leave a note to your teacher so that our teachers can register, and a guest can just send a note if you're part of the course and so on. So now we're going to open another page in Safari, and we're going to Google, let's say, leave a note to teacher. How about web program? It's not exactly what I want. How about program to send notes. Online. Send notes that will self-destruct after being read. That looks interesting. Write your note below. It's fun. It's not what I want though. Let's see. How our notes and reminders work. How about online messaging? Service free. Maybe we can do that. No, I'm thinking more of like we have our teachers register for the site. Someone can go on that site. They can send like a note to them. And I don't want to use like another forums, because we do have a forums right now, and I don't want like to be used for so much of contacting a teacher. How about leaving a note for people online? I really don't know how to put this. That's not what I wanted. That's really not what I wanted. Maybe I can just code a web page with the no, maybe just a contact page like email list. I think that'd be better for now. Now, before I get to more coding and stuff, let's do something away from coding. And the one thing that I wanted to do is create quizzes for staff to qualify for. Let me find. I think it's called Socrative. Where is it? Well, it's not here. It's called Socrative. www.socrative.com. There we go. Get started now. Let's try this. Teacher registration. It's not bad. And yes, I'm letting you see my email because this is my company email. So I don't have a problem with that. You can shoot me an email if you have any questions. And password. That doesn't look like it matches. And we're going to submit. Welcome to Socrative. Check out our user guide to find cool things you can do. Oops, okay. Start a quiz. Start a quiz for our staff. Looks like you have no quizzes. Create one. Name your quiz. Staff certification quiz. So I'm thinking some staff positions need a certification. So to be a web team developer, to be I'll show you what I mean. Right now we have some job openings open. Not all of them, of course, are open. I believe I do have it here. Here we go. So here we can view some stuff, and I'm just going to quickly look at. We have, so development team leader is going to be able to, not be able to, but needs to have a certification. Web developer does not. Graphic designer, I guess what they do not. So I'm going to make the quiz now. Add question. Let's make it a multiple choice question. Everybody loves multiple choice questions. So now we're going to say to get certified for a leading position. So let's call this a leading position. So how would you fire a staff member working in your team? I don't think this should be a multiple choice question. Oops. Short answer. Okay. How would you fire a staff member in working in your team? Delete. Delete. Oh, explanation. Steps or process you would take. It's gonna be fairly easy. Another short answer question. We're gonna say, write an essay to explain say why you think you should be certified to lead a team of developers. So explanation, do you have experience leading, coding, or working in a similar environment? Must be at least 4 paragraphs long. I know that's long, but I need a good explanation. Let's make a multiple choice. How many branches does AX coding have? Very simple. Even customers should know this. Answer choice 1, 5, 7, 3, and 2. Correct. This one. Okay, and I think that's going to be it for now. And I wonder, I'm going to explore a little bit with this. Dashboard, menu. What's clear room? Clear room of all students, cancel. My profile. Okay. What's this room name? Let's call this certified. I wonder how do you how do people get to the quiz? Well, I think I'm going to figure that out probably during the next video, or maybe between videos, and then we can pick up something more exciting. My days are not very exciting coding, but they're a lot of fun to work with and see how we progress. The AX Coding Academy has definitely come a little bit better. This homepage is going to change. It's going to change. Too much text. And we're gonna progress a little bit more next time. So I'll see you guys later, and